So hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you all are doing really well. And if you are new here, so I am Aman and I live in a small village of Uttar Pradesh. So guys, in today's video, I want to share why I really want to learn English. So guys, first of all, let me tell you one very honest thing. English is not easy for everyone, especially when you come from a village background, and I also study in English medium school. But I didn't get much chance to speak because I think teacher focused more on writing and grammar, not on speaking. So I can understand English, I can read English, but when it comes to speaking, I feel nervous. Sometimes my mind become blanks, and sometimes I know the words, but I can't speak confidently. And sometimes I scared that people will judge me. And guys, I worried about grammar mistakes, I worried about pronunciation, and sometimes I worried about that what people will think. And because of these fears, many times I stay silent. But one day I realized something very important, that if I stay silent, I will never improve, and this fear will not help me to grow, only practice will. And guys, English is not just a language. English is a self growth. English is a way to express myself. English helps in study, and English helps in career opportunity, and English helps in meeting new people, and most importantly, English give confidence. Friends, seriously, I don't want to feel shy anymore, and I don't want to feel scared while speaking. I want to speak freely without any fear and without any hesitation. So that's why I started to learn English, and that is the also reason why I started this YouTube channel. And one more thing, this channel is not about perfect English. This channel is about real English, and this channel is about practice. And as I told you that practice makes perfect. And here I will speak English daily. I will make mistakes, and I will obviously learn from them, and I will improve myself day by day. And I know many of you are like me. You understand English, but you are afraid to speak, and you think that your English is not so good. You think that your English is weak. You think that other are better than you. But trust me, everyone starts from zero. No one born fluent in English. Fluency comes from practice, not with fear. And uh, I believe that if someone from a small village like me can try to learn English, then everyone can. And we don't need any expensive schools, we don't need any expensive courses, we need only consistency. And even if you speak 5 sentences daily, then it is progress. And even if you make mistake, then it is learning. So through this channel I want to motivate myself and also motivate you. And if you are watching this video and feel the same fear, then please remember, you are not alone. As I told you guys, I'm also with you. We will learn together, we will grow together, and we will become confident together. And guys, I promise myself that I will learn English every day, I will practice English daily, I will not give up, and I will keep improving. And if you want to be a part of this journey, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment below, and tell me in comment why do you want to learn English. So thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. See you again.